Okay, it's been some time since I talked to you guys. Long story short, 2020 was a interesting year to say the very least, I think, for everyone out there. But with that being said, you know, it is what it is. Hopefully we're trying to get back to normal. I mean, everyone has kind of either talked about it or they have not talked about it at all. You know, luckily me and my family are all safe, so life must go on. But with that being said, I just got another package from China, and this particular package is pretty interesting because I ordered it around a little bit right before Christmas. It's from a vendor called Haas, H-A-A-S. I'll put the link below, something like that. What it is, well, let me just open it and show you. They did ship at FedEx, which did get here really quick, so thank you very much for that. I promise, while this is not a paid vlog, they didn't pay me at all, they did rush the order over, which I greatly appreciate, to try to, you know, see what it is. Now, with that being said, this is just the unboxing of it, okay? Look at this. They packaged it really nice, I have to say. Okay, this is a Model 3 or Model Y screen that goes right in front of the steering wheel. So as some of you guys know that owns a Tesla, there's not a dashboard right in front of the steering wheel like traditional cars. Some people like it, some people don't. You know, it's up to your preference. You can dog it, the clean look, whatever you like. I'm one of these guys that is searching for a speedometer, for say, right in front of me, because I'm old and I just need that. But with all that being said, there are a variety out there. There's one that looks like a Mickey Mouse ear. I'll put a link below also. It looks great. It like aesthetically very attractive, very sexy in fact. And it kind of fit the decor. Because of the modern aspects of how the screen looks. And majority of these screens are really all high resolution LEDs out there. LED screens. But with that being said, I went for a more rectangular look. This particular unit, unlike the other one just has a little bit of screens here and there, some minor features. Speedometer, position of the car, doors open, drive speed, things like that. But this particular guy right here has Apple CarPlay, which is desperately missing in Tesla, from my perspective. I get it, I'm gonna hear it. A lot of people out there, they don't care for Apple CarPlay. I do care for Apple CarPlay. So with that being said, this particular unit should satisfy that. Now, I'm gonna unbox it, I'm gonna open it, but I'm not gonna do the install today. Over the weekend, please look for that. Maybe after the weekend, I'll put that vlog up as I perform the install. But from my understanding, this particular unit is very easy to install also. So with that being said, let's look at what's inside, okay? Well, before we go there, okay. So I'm gonna get closer. Hopefully you can see that. It says Android, CarPlay, has GPS, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, Tesla UI, whatever that means. We'll see. USB, speed display, battery display, gear display, and what is this? Short view light. I guess that's the light that's on the Tesla thing. So let's open it. So, just give you some specs while I have the box here. The size of the screen is about 10.25 inches. That's the product size. And then it goes from 10.5 volts up to 16 volts. IPS, the resolution, it's not the highest, but it's 1920 by 720, so it's like a 720p the screen. It's for Model Y and Model 3s. So they call it a smart dashboard. So let's look at this. This is just came out in the market not that long ago. So I am really excited to go get it installed. I'm sure you guys can Google out there. I'll put a couple of links what some of the others out there has. But this is the box looks like. Literally, I just opened it. With that being said, it came with instructions. Is it the most detailed? No, it's not a 60-page booklet. It is a 2-page front to back installing manual. I'll let you know how I feel about this in a couple of days. Plastic, very nice. And here you go. The most important part, the screen. Comes in a nice plastic. Let's see here. The feel of it, what I would say is that it's very much like the OEM Tesla plastic that's on the Model 3. Here's the screen. It has a protector in front of it. There's a speaker in the back. Couple wires. We'll figure out what that is. Power, I take it right here, and then some type of remote, it looks like. Video, and then GPS, it looks like, for antenna. So that's the unit right here. Box. Continuing with the box. It's pretty simple, actually. And there it is, the cables. There's a GPS in here, there's a bracket for mounting, there's screws, and here's the connection cable. And just to show you a little bit, let's get that cable out and see what it looks like, right? Okay, it's nicely wrapped. It is velvet wrapped, so what that means is that when you put the wires through, if it even rattles, it should make minimum amount of noise, because it basically won't be plastic slapping on plastic. It'll be some type of soft material slapping against the plastic. On one end, like I said, it's all wired up already. I take it that, of course, red will be the power and the ground, and then it looks like the yellow will be the video, like I've mentioned. They do have a fuse, and this is the part where it will go to where the computer currently is on the passenger side beneath the dash to plug in. Basically what happens is the cable that's going into the current computer right now will plug into here, and this a Y split. This would go back to the computer, and I will vlog all that through my install video. Nice. There's a fuse, which always makes me feel better. It looks like that's it. The packaging is pretty simple, pretty clean cut and dry, so I'm very excited to see what this install is going to be like. I heard that it's pretty simple. Literally, if you go back into the Tesla, there's 2 plastic covers on the side, and then there's one more plastic cover near the doorway on the passenger side. You pull that off, and then the dash in the middle, that trim for say, that's a wood looking like panel. You're gonna slowly use your fingers, just lift that out and pull little muscles, and everything will come out. And then from there, you basically mount this bad boy onto there, and there it goes. So it feels good. It has weight, and I'll let you know how the install. Well, again, stay posted, and I'll let you know how it go. But with that being said, hopefully I will see all of you guys more so in 2021 with more videos like these. Please do subscribe. If you went away, you're coming back. I'm gonna have some content this year. This year I'm trying to turn the channel back on. While I won't go fully aggressive or daily vlog or anything like that, hit me up. Shoot me down there what you would like to see. What do you want to try to talk about, or just what you want me to vlog about. Everything's going fine. I think, you know, luckily we've been very fortunate health-wise. We've been very positive. So everyone out there, please do stay healthy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace out. Look for the vlog too. Take care.